Hello there, this is Joseph Quijano, a certified financial planner.
And I'm Jordan Quijano. We want to welcome you to Become the Banker. And today's topic is passive income. How do you make your money work for you? How do you get income for the rest of your life just by sitting down in this chair?
Well, you know, there's only two ways to make money. I may say two legal ways to make money.
That's right.
Okay? One of them is you and I working for our money. We have to work to make money, right? And the other way to make money is to have our money work for you and I. So we have to have our money working for us, which is important to have our money really create that passive income that we all are searching for.
That's right. So money at work or you at work. Those are the two ways to really get money in today's world. And I think what we're searching for, all of us, is a way to make sure that we're limited on our resources as far as how many hours we can put in through a day. But how do we get our money to work for us so that you can have some additional income at the end or have a guaranteed retirement that you don't have to worry about? There's too many, I would say, smoke and mirrors in today's financial arena when we talk about getting rich off of crypto immediately. Yes, it can happen. But is it everybody is it happening to? No, I mean, it's risk and you gotta study it, you gotta know it. I get this question all the time. You know, how do I get rich quickly if I have $10,000? There's no magic to it. I mean, it takes some time and it takes the necessary of being able to put your foot in the right direction of an account that's gonna earn you interest. So there's no quick get rich quick scheme out there. It's just a matter of doing the hard work of not only working yourself, but getting your money to work just as hard for you. So when we talk about this, we have two solutions that we're gonna cover today.
Right, so you know, the key is, you know, the reality of the matter is that you have to work for your money and your money has to work for you. That's the bottom line. So let me ask you this, okay? How much of your money is really working for you? Do you consider having your money in the stock market working for you? You know, over the past 47 years in my financial practice, I have seen the same answer, or I have heard the same answer all the time. My money's working because I have it in the stock market.
Yeah.
You know, like most people believe that their money is working for them because they have it in the stock market. But in reality, that money is not working for them. Period. You see, if you look at a graph of the stock market, you're going to see peaks and valleys, peaks and valleys, peaks and valleys. And the peaks could be really high, but the valleys could be very low. And then it takes years for the market to peak again. So if you look at the rate of return, Jordan, and I done it already. Right. If you look at the rate of return over the peaks and the valleys, you will be surprised that the average is less than 3%. It is actually 2.5%. So is it worth it to have the money in the stock market? You believe in that it's working for you. Right. And you have all this roller coaster effect.
Well, and I think, you know, a piece of that is when you're retiring. Where is it in that stock market? Is it at a peak when you're retiring? That could be beneficial. That can help you. But are you at a decline or a valley when you retire? I mean, this is what happened during the 2007, 2008. Think of all the people that were getting ready to retire that year or were already in retirement a year or two. After that hit, that changed a lot of clients or just people's perspective of what's really happening in their 401ks or brokerage accounts because they lost a tremendous amount of money. That could have shaved off 7 to 8 or 9 years of income just over a few months. So our point to this is, yes, you could have some money in 401ks, get your match, take it, but don't have all your money in one bucket. That's the mistake that most people make. With our product, the Guaranteed Pension Account, this gives you the ability to grow while the market is up. So you get the peaks, but when the market comes down in a 401k, with the valleys, with the Guaranteed Pension Account, you flatline, you stay right there, you plateau. So you get peaks and plateaus. So that way, it's a stairway. You go up, market crashes, you stay level. Market picks back up, you pick up where you left off. Go up, market crashes again, you stay level. So you're able to do the stairway effect where your money's never going down and you don't have to make up any of those valleys that you usually have to do with the 401k.
Then at the end, Jordan, what's going to happen at the end? At the end, that guaranteed pension account will outperform the market. So how would you like to have growth? Growth without any risk.
I mean, that's making your money work for you. It truly is. It's giving you the freedom of making your money earn interest. And on average, our clients are seeing anywhere between 10 and 12% on those on an average annual return. 10 to 12%. It's much better than 2.5 to 3 because these, again, don't have to recoup any of the losses. They're able to grow and keep their earnings.
With safety, huh?
That's
With
right.
safety. And you know what? I saw the look in your clients' eyes this week, Jordan. When they came into the office to get the guaranteed pension account, we were talking about the risk of the stock market. They had suffered some of the risk. And when we're talking about people that are getting ready to retire, your client immediately said, but those people are already retired and the market hit a low, they lose money, just like we did. I saw that in their eyes, the fear in their eyes. So it's not only for pre-retirees, I'm talking about people that are retired today. They fear the market going down. This is going to cut their income stream.
It's true. It erodes the money because if the market drops 20% and they're taking, let's just say 5% a year or 3% a year as far as income, I mean, they just effectively lost 25% in that short span of a year or 3 months. So the point is, it isn't meant just for people building retirement. It's meant for anybody. If you have money in the markets and you're fearful of it going down, this is a good way to make your money work for you and give you passive income, because when you decide to retire, or better yet, you don't even have to retire, but decide to turn the income on, this account will pay you a true paycheck, a true pension for the rest of your life, no matter how long you live. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is passive income at its finest. It's gonna pay you no matter how long you live, and better yet, if for some reason you do have long-term care expenses, unexpected life costs of health like that, because you need a nursing home or you need somebody to come into your house to take care of you, they double 2 times whatever your pension is. So you're getting 60, 70,000 a year on the paycheck for your passive income, but all of a sudden, life throws you a curveball for long-term care expenses. Most people will be fearful and lose everything because it's so expensive. This product will double 2 times that and pay you $140,000 a year in that example. They'll
Isn't that
double your pension. It is beautiful. It really is.
It's absolutely beautiful because, not only that, Jordan, but, they also, we have a bonus that we give people to transfer their money.
Yeah, that's right. It's a good way to kickstart.
Yeah, it's a transfer bonus that you get a percentage. Depending on the state where you live, it can range all the way from 9% down to 5%.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you live in a state like Colorado right here, my gosh, if you were to transfer $300,000, you get 9% of that, your account is worth $27,000 more immediately day one.
That's right.
So let's recap the benefits.
That's right.
Yep. The bonus is number 1, right?
That's right.
Safety, because there's no market declines.
Yep.
Potential for growth, right?
That's right. Only growth.
Only growth.
Yep.
Long-term care, protection,
That's right.
and income for the rest of their lives.
Passive income for the rest of your life.
Like Jordan was talking about. And then if the unexpected were to happen and you pass away, the account balance will go to your loved ones. The company doesn't keep a dime.
That's right. The money will go to your beneficiaries. That right there is a blessing. To have money you can count on for the rest of your life, but if something did happen unexpectedly, you get to pass that income on to your loved ones. And that's beautiful. So The guaranteed pension account, the true way to build passive income safely with no risk and give you a good head start by getting that bonus. Now, the second product we also deal with is called Become the Banker Life Insurance. Now, this account is very, very unique. Most people would hear life insurance and unfortunately they would think just about death. I have to pass away for me to get money from a life insurance plan. And I don't blame them, that's traditional life insurance. Well, there's a handful of companies out there, about 6 to 7 life insurance companies that have been around for over 100 plus years that got together and created these banking policies. And what happens is you're able to build passive income, but most of all, keep the money tax-free. Life insurance is the last vehicle left around today that is absolutely tax-free. That means you put money in, it grows tax-free. You want to take money out, you can take it out tax-free. You want to pass it on to a loved one because something happens to you and you pass away, you transfer it tax-free. That is, you can't get that anywhere else, and with no limits.
It doesn't get any better than that, you know. It doesn't get any better than that. You know, those two strategies is what turned our practice around over 20 years ago. We were a full-fledged financial planning firm. I am a certified financial planner, so I did everything from stocks, bonds, mutual funds. You know what? 20 years ago, I was introduced to these two wonderful, safe, but growing your money strategies. And my practice with you, Jordan, made a switch not to do anything with the stock market, to only do safe money strategies with safe money products. So what are you waiting for? I mean, if you have money that is now working for you, if you want passive income like most people do, pick up the phone and just give us a call at 303-779-6600 or go to our beautiful website. It's called mymoneymyway.com. Complete the form. Please complete the form. Watch a very short video. You will see Jordan and I on the video talking about these two wonderful strategies and how to use them.
Right, and
how to use them.
You can pass this information on to a loved one, whether it's your family, kids, children, grandkids, or a friend. I mean, I hear it too many times in today's world when I'm talking to my clients that I wish I would have known about this earlier. Why didn't I hear about this 10, 20, 30 years ago? Well, don't let that mistake keep on happening. If you have a family member, if you have friends that need to get money that's passive income or protect their money before the market goes down, do us a favor, pay it forward, pass the website on, pass this video on, and that way we can stop that cycle of not knowing, you know, the money earlier, how to protect our money earlier, because we're not taught this in school. So again, give us a phone call or visit our website, mymoneymyway.com, and you can jump on there, fill that form out, and actually set an appointment up directly with Joseph and myself. That is nobody else but us directly, so that we can sit down and show you how these beautiful two solutions can help you and your family.
Absolutely. So please like us, like the channel. We thank you for watching us. Hit the notification bell so you will be aware as to when the next video will be posted. And be sure that you don't keep us a secret.
That's right.
Please don't keep us a secret. You know, most people, you know, don't tell their friends. I mean, this is something good. Do something good for your fellow family members, for your co-workers, for your friends. Don't keep us a secret. Tell people about us.
Give us that
We want to help you.
That's right.
And like our channel, please.
Thank you so much for your time. Leave us a comment on any other topics that you're curious about when it comes to the financial arena, or how you're able to get income. So that's where this came from, is passive income. How do I build passive income? We've heard this in multiple comments, and that's why we did today's video. So thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video.
We'll see you next week.